What's up, everybody? We are back with another video, the first one for 2024. I hope you enjoyed your holidays and you had a good time with your family and your friends. And we are going to do an unboxing video today. Normally, that I do separate videos for Hot Wheels and Matchbox, but it's just not enough for two videos. So yeah, let's get started. We got some Matchbox models. I think they are all from 2023, and we got some newer Hot Wheels models. I think they're all A and B case. So let's get started with this one here, which is pretty new. A new version of the BMW 507. I think we've seen this one in white and in red. Now it's coming in a pretty nice yellow with, I mean, you can call it racing or rally livery. It's not too much on this guy. As you can see, we got a number here on the side, pretty nice BMW badge. The front is looking good. We don't get any headlights, but some pretty details here. We got a chrome base, a chrome grille, which looks pretty nice. The BMW badge here on the front looks really good. Also this number 822 here on the hood. Chrome bumper on the back, no temples on the back, no headlights, but I would say pretty nice new version for the BMW 507. So let's put this guy into the parking lot. And let's go on with this one here, the 57 Jeep FC. I think it's the second version. The first version was in blue, if I remember it correctly. Now we see this one in what is this? Brown? Yeah, glossy brown. Interestingly, this one comes with a German flag on the side. I don't know if this is intended, but black, red, and yellow. These are the colors of the German flag. Anyways, we get some details here on the back. Spare tire. No taillights. These are the details on the side, and we get some pretty nice headlights and the Jeep lettering here on the front. Yeah, also pretty nice new version. Then we go on with another version of the Ford GT40. So seems like this one is decorated up in kind of a billiard livery. I don't know. Well, yeah, I don't know. I don't think it does look too good. It's okay in my opinion. I'm not a huge fan when you do these huge wheels in the back and the small wheels in the front. Sometimes it's a little bit too extreme. Yeah, I think it's a pretty neat idea, but in my opinion, it doesn't look too good. Then we got this one here. 47 Chevy Fleetline. I think this is the regular treasure hunt of the A case for 2024. I'm not a huge fan of these cars from the 40s, 50s, 60s. So anyways, I could find only one of these, so this one will stay carded. But we go on with, I think this is the treasure hunt of the B case. The Ain't Fair Boss. So let's crack this one open. As you can see here on the card, silver flame. So it's the regular treasure hunt with this Hot Wheels deco. I think it looks kind of cool, like a tour bus. And as you can see, this is kind of cool. I didn't notice that. We got different liveries on the two sides. So here it says Hot Wheels World Tour, and you get some notes and also the flame. And here we get this DJ equipment, which is kind of a cool idea. And we get the tires in the center. red tinted plastic interior. That's kind of cool. Also a chrome front. But anyway, this thing is pretty light. We get a lot of plastic on this one. I think this top part, let's say this frame, however you call that, this is metal. The rest is all plastic. But I think this is kind of cool. It's kind of cool. So yeah, regular treasure hunt. Then we go on another Nissan Skyline RS in yeah, purple. Purple livery. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice color. It's like a pearl purple livery. Some racing deco on the side. Golden wheels. You get some pretty nice details on the back with a license plate RS TRV. It's the same. And it's hard to see in this one. It's lens headlights, which is always pretty cool on these Hot Wheels mainlines. You don't see that too often, unfortunately. And then we do have another version of the Audi RS e-tron. I think it's the third or already the fourth version. I'm not really sure. Now in white. I think it's they have changed the license plate. I'm not 100% sure what the other ones are saying, but this one, it says plug and go. We get some nice details on the back, the Audi rings, also the license plate on the front. Yeah. This one's looking kind of cool. Into the parking lot it goes, and we do see another or a new livery for the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. It's a model I don't collect, but sometimes I buy it. I think I also bought the recent version of this one. You know, I like racing and rally livery, and this one's kind of cool. Coming in a mint livery with some racing deco. Unfortunately, no headlights and nothing on the back. I think the back looks a little bit empty. But anyways, these white wall plastic tires, I think they look okay on this one. Pretty nice. And our last Hot Wheel model for this video is the Mad Mike Drift Attack. It's coming in a flat gray livery with this Mad Mike deco. We've seen kind of a similar deco on, I think it was Mad Mike Lamborghini Huracan, if I remember it correctly. And this Lamborghini looked really, really good in this Mad Mike deco. But this one's also pretty cool. Really nice flat gray livery. So now we are switching the brand. Go on with the Hot Wheels. Get another version of the 911 Carrera Cabriolet from Porsche. Now in blue. I think, by the way, these are the last of these power grabs boxes you will see on this channel. I think the store that sells it, it's called Action, has switched back to the normal blister packagings. There we go. You know, as you take a look at the headlights, this is the version, or a version of this Porsche that was quite controversial because of its headlights. In Germany, you call these headlights Spiegeleier Scheinwerfer, which is a Spiegelei is an eye is an X, sunny side up. If you're interested in that, we get no license plate, but some pretty nice taillights and headlights, and the Porsche badge. Pretty nice. Then we go on with this one here, the 1986 Volvo 240. It's number 99 of 100 from the year 2023. I think this is a new casting for Matchbox. There we go. Oh, this one looks really, really cool. Oh, this one's a real beauty, so let's take a look at it. First of all, it's a very interesting color. It's not a real flat livery, but yeah, it's not too glossy. It looks really, really good, really nice blue, and some really nice details on the front and also on the back. License plate is saying 1986, so a really nice model. I'm still missing some 2023 Matchbox models. Unfortunately, I do miss the orange Opel Kadett and this, this Lamborghini, this Lamborghini SUV from the 80s. This is the 2012 BMW 3 Series, the touring version, or Kombi as you call it in Germany. I think it's a second version. First one was in black or dark gray. I can't remember it correctly, but this one looks pretty cool. It's it's the version with these strange taillight details. I don't know why they do this, but it looks like it's a paint issue, but it seems like they do this intentionally. I don't know why, but I think it looks weird, in my opinion. But this one is kind of cool. It comes with a license plate, and that's saying TRNG-WGN, so touring wagon. Kind of cool. Pretty nice white and pretty nice details on the front. Very, very nice version of this BMW. Then another German car, the Audi TT RS Coupe in green. Also pretty nice. So this is the back, no license plate on this one. The logo and the RS badge, Audi rings, gunmetal 5 spokes. This is the front, also pretty cool. I get some, unfortunately, got some scratches here on the door, but a pretty nice model. So into the parking lot it goes, and our last one comes in a blister packaging. It's a Mazda CX-5 in gold. There we go. We've seen several versions of this one. I can't remember all of the colors, but yeah, golden version's also pretty nice. Mazda license plate, I hope you can see it. Also on the front, some headlights. Also a nice one. So yeah, that's it. Let's take a look at all of our models from this unboxing. As always, I will pick a favorite, and I think it's well, let's pick a favorite from the Hot Wheels and one favorite from the Matchbox models. I think my favorite one from the Hot Wheels is the Mad Mike, because it's pretty nice flat gray livery. And the best Matchbox models, best Matchbox model for sure is this one here, the Volvo. This one's a real beauty, really, really nice. And yeah, there you have it. This was my unboxing. I say thank you for watching. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe this channel. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.